Bacteria are microscopic living organisms that exist all around us and cannot be seen by the naked eye. Despite their small size, bacteria play significant roles in various aspects of life. To better understand these organisms, scientists have studied the complete structure, including the minute components that constitute a bacterial cell. Each bacterial cell possesses distinct structures that function like specialized tools within the microworld. The cell wall serves as a protective layer, ensuring the cell's integrity and strength. The cell membrane acts like a gatekeeper and regulates the passage of substances in and out of the cell. Within the bacterial cell, the cytoplasm acts as a viscous substance where important cellular activities occur. Ribosomes, analogous to diligent workers, produce essential components for the cell. The nucleoid serves as the control center, containing genetic instructions. Some bacteria possess additional structures, like flagella, which enable the bacterial cell to move. Pilus help in attachment. These components collectively contribute to the survival and functionality of the bacterial cell. Studying the structure of bacterial cells is crucial for advancing our knowledge across multiple disciplines. The study of bacterial cell structure is helpful for scientific and practical applications that extend far beyond the microscopic world. The importance of studying these minute structures lies in solving the mysteries of bacterial life, how they sustain themselves, proliferate, and, in some cases, cause diseases. It is like solving a puzzle, where understanding individual pieces contributes to getting an overall picture. This knowledge is not just confined to the scientists, it is also important for everyone, whoever is contributing to the healthcare industry. Therefore, exploring the complex structure of bacterial cell is key to unlocking their significance and potential impacts on our lives. The hierarchical classification system organizes living organisms into groups based on shared characteristics. The highest taxonomic ranks are domains, and within these domains, there are kingdoms, phyla, classes, and so forth. The three primary domains are bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. This classification reflects the major branches of the tree of life, highlighting the fundamental differences in cellular structure and genetic structure among living organisms. Prokaryotic microorganisms, including bacteria and archaea, are characterized by the absence of a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Instead, their genetic material is typically located in a nucleoid region within the cell. This shared feature separates them from eukaryotic organisms, where the genetic material is enclosed within a membrane-bound nucleus. Eukarya covers a broad range of organisms, including plants, animals, fungi, and protists. Unlike bacteria and archaea, eukaryotic cells have a true nucleus that encloses the genetic material, as well as membrane-bound organelles, such as mitochondria and the endoplasmic reticulum. The evolution of eukaryotic cells represents a significant step in the complexity of cellular organization. Archaea, like bacteria, are prokaryotic microorganisms, but they form a separate domain. Archaea are known for living in extreme environments, including high temperatures, acidic conditions, and extreme salinity. Their ability to withstand these harsh conditions makes them essential contributors to the ecology of extreme environments, and provides awareness of the potential for life in extreme conditions elsewhere in the universe. Archaea have unique cellular membranes composed of different lipids, and their genetic machinery, such as the RNA polymerase, resembles that of eukaryotes more closely than bacteria. Bacteria are exceptionally useful microorganisms, found in nearly every habitat on Earth. They live in different environments, including soil, water, air, and within, or on other organisms. Some bacteria have evolved to form symbiotic relationships with plants, animals, and humans, contributing to nutrient cycling, digestion, and various ecological processes. Beneficial bacteria contribute to soil fertility, assist in the digestion of food and animals, and are used in various industrial applications. However, certain bacterial species can also be pathogenic, causing diseases in plants, animals, and humans. Understanding the roles of bacteria is crucial for maintaining environmental balance and promoting human health. While bacteria and archaea share the basic prokaryotic cell structure, they exhibit differences in biochemical and genetic characteristics. These differences include variations in the composition of cell walls, membrane lipids, and certain metabolic pathways. These differences contribute to the diversity observed within the microbial world and make the bacteria stand separately from archaea and eukarya in the microbial kingdom.